Good. Other side. Deep breath in and out. Ooh, nice, Destiny. Here we go. Hi, this is Dr. Kennedi Pierce at Advanced Health Chiropractic in South Loop. Today I have Destiny here with me today. So today I'm just going to show you a full spine adjustment on Destiny as well as the ankles, and then do a little soft tissue for you on the video as well. Good. Other side. Deep breath in and out. Ooh, nice, Destiny. Here we go.
My favorite adjustment.
Perfect. Now you holding onto the table. There you go.